Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome. My name is Amanda. Today I am really excited. I was on chaperone drop-off duty for my nephew to go to FanX with a friend, and so I had to remove my car seats to allow 2 teenagers to fit in the back seat. So I'm down here in Salt Lake. I decided I would stop in and see Bridget at Beyond the Leaf Inc. And then there is also a really cute bookstore called Lovebound that's right across the street from her shop. I normally make it like a thing to go to both. And since I'm doing plants and books on my channel now, I wanted to show you like a little planty book situation that I do. I'm really excited. I don't get to do this a lot without my kids, so it is like a treat for me. So if it's something that you want to check out and see the bookshop and what's in at Bridget's shop, stick around and let's go ahead and see what's going on. Oh my gosh, look at how cute these little pinks are. Ooh, and these are cool. I don't know what this is though. There's a philodendron ring of fire, that's really pretty. Okay, my friends, now we are looking over here at the Hoyas. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, Bridget, What is this thing? This is the weirdest thing of all time. It's like an alien plant. Crested spineless gymno. Gymno calcium. We have determined this is a gymnocalcium. Look at how weird an amoeba this thing is. It's like an alien. It's really cool, but it also kind of freaks me out a little. Well, I got a ticket, so this trip is already more expensive than I meant it to be. Ah! Hey everybody, it is way later in the day after I had my alone time looking at plants and checking out that really cool bookstore. I came home and I needed to start on the laundry because it's never ending pile, especially if you have children or a partner. I had to mow the lawn, which made me all gross. So anywho, after I got my kids to bed, I showered, but now I'm ready to show you what I picked up today in my haul. I do have 2 plants and then a couple of books that I got too that I'm really excited about. I'm also hanging out in my Winifred Sanderson shirt. So it's that time of year for me. I have like a Hocus Pocus shirt to wear every day of October. I absolutely love Hocus Pocus. Okay, so the first one that I got is a philodendron strawberry shake. The variegation on this is seriously so beautiful. And I didn't realize before I got this one that this is like, the variegation is like pink and yellow. Like, I know it's probably cliche, but this is seriously like strawberry banana. Do you remember when like Lip Smackers did like strawberry banana themed things? That's what this kind of reminds me of. But it's so stunning. I picked this one up from Bridget at Beyond the Leaf. I'm gonna put this one on a moss pole, and I do need to add like a moss pole extension to my Escaletto. So maybe I'll just do like another moss pulley maintenance type care video so you can see me set this one up on a pole. But yeah, I'm really excited about this one. I'm hoping that I can get it to size up, putting it on an actual moss pole instead of a cocoa core pole. I think that would be really stunning to just have super large variegated leaves on this one. So if you have any tips, I have heard these ones revert fairly easy as strawberry shake. So any advice you have to share with me would be greatly appreciated. I also got from Bridget a caramel marble chalk, I believe is what she called it, but she forgot to bring it to the shop, so she's gonna bring it over to me tomorrow. But I'm really excited for that one. I've wanted one of those for a long time. I think the leaves on those, like how they're like razor and elongated, are so cool. I'm hoping that it has really good variegation. So that one I don't have to show you, but it literally would just be like a chunk of a stem, so I don't think you're missing out on anything. Other thing that I got from Beyond the Leaf though was a total impulse buy, but when I saw it, I had to get it. And it is this cute little terrarium. So it has 4 pings. There's like another one back over here, and then a sundew. And this thing is seriously, oh, sorry, little frog. I'm just gonna take him out. But there's like this little terrarium guy in there. I'll take him out for just a second. But look at how beautiful and vibrant these are. Like, I don't know, I'm new. I only have one other ping, but it has been so great to have in my collection. I have just 1 ping in my Mills Tall cabinet, and I have like no fungus gnats. The thrip situation has been very, very helpful to have a ping. I didn't know that they would eat thrips, but they do. So if the adults start to like climb to another plant, it just eats them up once it goes over there. So it's been awesome. I couldn't get over how beautiful those pink and purple. This one looks like it had a purple bloom. And this sundew. But look at how cool in the sundew there's a bug. Let me see, better angle. So in the sundew there's a bug in here, and it's like curled over. That is seriously so cool. I really enjoyed having the one carnivorous plant, and I would love to do like a setup like this for that one. It looks like it has leca in the bottom and then like perlite and soil, and then they're just chilling on the top with like some rock dressing. But yeah, I had to get it once I saw it. This is seriously so beautiful. So that is all I got from the plant shop. But I did get a couple of books. That bookstore is so cute. Oh my gosh, I definitely want to go down there when I have like more time to really peruse, because there was like that little farmer's market or whatever it was. It was so busy in there. I felt like I could barely film. But they had like, I don't know, like the hoodies and stuff that they had were just so funny. They also had a really large selection of like Kindle covers that were really beautiful, but there were so many people over there, I wasn't gonna fight my way in to look at them. So I definitely have to go back. But since we are getting into like fall cozy, I had to get myself some like, I don't know, I just feel like there's something very endearing about a holiday romance read. And maybe that's cliche, but I just think it's like, 'tis the season to be kind and love and whatever. So I did pick up 2 books by Lori Gilmore. So the first one is The Pumpkin Spice Cafe. and the other one is the Cinnamon Bun Bookstore. So I've never read anything by her before. This is a new author for me. I love that it's like the leaves are all like festive and what is that, foil? That's really fun. But what I've heard from people is these are supposed to be like Gilmore Girls with spice. So we'll see how I like them. I think I'm gonna read the Pumpkin Spice Cafe first. I don't know if these need to go in order, so I guess I need to look that up first. But there's like a whole bunch of holiday books. There's the Christmas Tree Farm is another one in the series, the Strawberry Patch Pancake House, and the Gingerbread Bakery. So I don't know, these are like super feminine, girly, just romance holiday reads. I think they'll be really fun. And then I did pick up this cute little book holder. So I hate when I'm reading a book and you're like trying to hold it open. So this slips on your thumb and like holds your book open as you're reading it. So you don't have to like try to like spread your fingers the whole time you're reading it. But yeah, I'm really excited. It was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out the plants and checking out the bookstore with me. The only bummer of today was I got a freaking ticket for parking. I rarely go into Salt Lake City, so I don't really know where it is acceptable or not to park. So it was pretty on par for me to get a ticket. But besides the ticket, all in all, it was a great day. It was a real treat for me to go and just like get to walk around, talk to Bridget, look at plants, check out that bookstore by myself. I know it seems like something so small, but that was a really big like self-care thing for me today. So I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.